inside the terrain is western, nomad is northern, no, northwest. So they're getting pushed right now towards northeast right now. If you can see my ping,
Yung life curse ko, wala pa rin ah. Uy, life curse.
you have space in the southeast side of me. Okay, southeast of me, you have space. Western, southwest of you right now.
Come northwest. Yo, come northwest. Get ready.
Put the pose in the
Put up.
So Mogi, that's one screen away from you right now. You can bomb them from the choke right now.
North.
You have this space here. You have so much space here.
4, 3,
They just engage.
North. Come back south agad. Yo, my life. Where are you? Come south.
You're still good, Mogi. You can reset now. They're cutting towards
Ito pa yung
northwest.
well jacket. Ako mauna.
Come north, follow me. Ang inaantay ko yung ano ko. Yung...
If you can wrap around northeast, you have space here as well.
Sige. Come north.
East side of me.
Follow me.
So they're wrapping towards west side. They're in the farmyard.
Okay.
You can take northeast side.
Okay, sige, pwede to. Come to me. Yo, left press, come to me, okay? You get
Still
ready,
good.
guys.
Southwest of you is western, okay? 2 screens away from you, Mogi. 2 screens away from you. They're still kiting.
Come south. Oh, yo, mount up. Follow me.
They just keep kiting right now, heading towards west.
Okay, come southwest. Come southwest. Key kami southwest.
Just follow the flag. You can see them here. That's the main.
Sige lang.
Careful. There's that's
Come south.
they're facing at you right now.
Come south.
Yeah, they're full blob is straight with you right now. You need to be careful.
Come south. Sige lang. Come south.
If you can see my ping, this is nomad, okay?
Dismounted me.
Maldito.
Dismounted me. They mounted? Dismounted.
They're still dismounted. They're fighting right now, but they haven't engaged yet. You need to be careful, okay?
West.
But they're getting pressured right now.
Yeah, get ready. We're gonna look at deep north here. Keep
No.
okay.
Should be. Yeah, it should be 2 screens away from right now. You have space right now. You have space. They just engage. You pop the defensive. You have engage. You can engage.
Northwest deep. 5, 4, 3.
You just engage, okay? You can hit that shit.
Northwest deep. Nice! Come back agad.
Patay niya si
Well
Scripps.
jacket pa.
Napatay niya si Scripps.
Ala ko.
Okay lang yan.
No, it's okay. So they're backing up. Listen, Mogi, you can still push towards west side right now, mapping.
Yeah, nag-reset ako. How many seconds CD? Sabihin siya.
They're facing right now. Actually.
Kasatis.
You can hold. Actually, you can hit them again from the same spot.
Okay. Yo, listen. Recoup sa atin.
But you need to be careful, okay? You need to be careful. They haven't engaged yet.
Kasatis.
May ditang.
May ditang tanatakat natin sa akin.
No. You're still good. They okay. They just engaged right now. You have space in the west side of me right now. You can go deep and disengage.
Okay, get ready. Straight northwest again. Okay.
Mogi Western tong sa baba ng tere, ah.
Keep walking. Sige.
It's okay. This is no matter now. Like west side of me.
West tayo. Deep west deep 5. West deep 4, 3, 2, 1 west deep. Come back agad south.
Uy, pabaliktad yung akin, my
Sige lang, come back south. Puta, paano pabaliktad, pre? Yes,
They're facing you right now, Mogi. You need to be careful here.
Walk east.
They're facing you. They're full facing you. Careful. They're full facing you.
Walk east, guys. Walk east. Keep walking east. Sige lang. Kasi pag nag-engage tayo niyan, may engage sila ng west.
It's okay. You have space right now. You have space.
Do. CD.
You can reset now.
Ready.
So careful. Northeast of you is western, but hard west of you it's nomad. Okay.
West, okay?
Same spot.
West side, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side, shallow. Ay, come back agad. Come back southeast na. Yo, pag hindi nyo na nabato yung inyo, huwag nyo nang i-force, okay?
You can reset. You're good.
Wala ba tayo mana?
Magmamatap ako. Meron yan si Sinom. Sinom, drop your druid call. Man.
Mogi, mag-live kaya ako, Mogi, para makita mo yung front.
Pwede. Mount up.
Tapos sa druid call.
Alam ko na sila, come northeast.
There's same spot. West side of me as well.
Come to me. Follow. Come north side. Steady. Come north side. Okay, key kami north side. Huwag kayo mag-dismount. Nire-reset ko lang. Come east. Come northwest. Come northeast. Dismount.
Okay, you have space here. You can engage south. One screen there from here now. Deep. You can go deep. They just engage.
Deep southwest. 5.
On my ping. Choke.
Deep
West.
southwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest. Masyado kayo na-excite, guys. Antayin niyo yung reef. Antayin niyo yung witchwork, niggas.
You can reset. You're good. They're not facing here now.
Come.
They're trying to kite northwest right now, Mowgli. You can take them from northeast. You don't have space right now, okay? You don't have space. You need to take another angle.
How many seconds?
Oh,
Because western is
ready.
western is southwest of you. You need to be careful.
Hold this side lang, hold this side lang.
You need to take another angle. You need to take another angle.
Come right.
On my ping, this is Nomad, okay?
Yo, isync nyo yung DPS nyo para, makadelete kayo.
You can take them down the choke southwest of you right now. You can
Get
take
ready,
them
get
here.
ready, okay, get ready. Yo,
Careful there, full kiting. They might try to freeze you, okay?
West side, 5. Deep, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep. Ito lang. Ako,
Careful, they're facing you now, okay?
Yung occult mo, paayos nga. Silver.
They're full facing you now. You need to be
Uy,
careful,
maayo,
Mogi.
sabi mo west side.
You need to be careful, Mogi. You need to kite. They're full facing you now.
Pero kung saan ako tumatakbo naman sa diba? Kami sa tis, kami sa tis, apil. Parisat saan? Kami sa
Okay, this is just death tanks here on top of you now.
tis, kami. Yung kayo mobs here, walk sa.
Small groups.
Walk sa.
Okay, they just keep kiting northwest of you right now, Mogi.
Ready, Mugi, ready.
Northwest.
You can see my ping. This is the main zerg. You can take them from the choke here.
Yo, look at west. Get ready, okay? Get ready, look at west side. 5, west side, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side. Ay, kamakagad. Yo, kamak, pil. You're ready in potion sa, kami CCs pala, ECCs, okay? ECCs.
Careful, they're full facing you now, Mogi.
ECCs, reset kayo sa akin,
Wala.
You're good. You can reset now. You can take them by the road right now. You can take northeast angle again.
2 seconds.
Kumas.
Ready.
Healer ka pa.
Mogi, they haven't engaged yet, okay? They might try to full engage on you right now. You need to be careful.
Oh, kumas, get ready.
That's western, that's western.
I know. Come north. North over the wall, no? Keep on east lang. East. Pa east lang kayo. Okay? North over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the wall. Ito lang. Come back. Okay, come back. Reset kayo. Keep on east.
So they're just holding her now. Same north of you.
Sige lang, farmin nyo lang.
Jay, mamata.
CD.
Mogi, you can take them from east side right now.
Hold here.
5 seconds. Hold. Okay na.
Yo, Mogi, they just engage. You have angle right now on the east side. You have angle on the east side. By the road. West side of you right now. One screen. You can go deep on this engage.
2, 1 west side, on top me. Come southeast agad.
Inong shizi ko.
Come south. Pila. Angat tayo ulit.
They're still good. That's not the full engage.
Kami east.
Xenom drop.
Okay, well, you careful. Western is listen. Western is they're pushing her now. You can take east side of the angle right now.
Kamis lang.
Mogi, I think you need to take west side. You don't have angle there.
Ay, mata.
This is western. They're pushing Maldito right now. Maldito is keep kiting towards northeast. You have space northwest of me right now. If you can see my ping, you can take them northwest of me right now. Hard north.
Kamapil.
You don't have space here because that's all western, southwest of you. You can take them you can take them here. You can take them here, Mogi.
Oh, do.
East side of you right now. They're gonna try kite towards the choke. You can hit them by the choke now.
TPs 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. TPs.
There you go, baby. So careful, they might try to first unit now, but they're too far away, so you're good.
Left tanks.
Ready.
You're still good. You can reset now.
Come north.
They're trying to kite northwest, Mogi. You can take west side angle again. They're trying to kite. You can hit them by the wall.
Seconds, 5 seconds.
North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Down.
Come south.
You're still good. You can kite from here. You can take another west side angle again.
Ready, spots.
You're good. Some of them are too far away. You can take them west side again. So western just hit them. You can take west side again. Southwest of you now. They're trying to get towards your angle now.
Listen.
My ping, Mogi. You can hit them here.
How many seconds?
Ready ako.
Ready.
Step up. North, deep north.
Careful, east side, west side. Okay, west side. You need to hit them west side.
Deep north. Okay, come back.
Careful, that's it. Okay, you can take them northwest angle again.
Come south.
East of you is western. Careful.
Come southwest.
You have angle in the west side, Mogi. Like hard west.
SW.
5 seconds.
Hard west, Mogi. You have space hard west, okay? That's western. You're gonna be facing western soon.
Kikami.
Okay, you northeast of you now. You can hit them from the choke. You just engage.
North side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eto. Nice, come west. Ready your pots, spread kayo.
They just engage, you can just kite.
Come west. Left ang papil lang.
Still behind na sabihin sila.
Kick kami west. It's okay.
Wait.
Careful, Mogi, they're trying to face you right now, full facing you now.
Ready your pots, kick kami west. Pasidi lang.
Jay ko na, Jay ko na.
How many seconds?
You can turn, you
Five, five.
can turn.
Turn north. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Malaking western yan. Okay, nice. Comes out.
It's mate. You're good. Actually, it's okay. Let's engage because it's mixed. Actually, they're wipe. I think they're wipe already.
May low sa north.
Kill.
This is all western, okay? You need to be careful.
Locus ka na, patay na, okay. Sabi mo, mantap.
Malaki western ba yan? Okay, good. Yun na ni Mugi.
Gar, nag-mix up sila doon, Gar.
I mean kasi hindi, wipe na rin yung hounds kasi, so might as well magka-engage na rin tayo.
Ba't may blitzing tayo dito?
Yo,
Amazing, oh.
mga ilang kills tayo?
Napatay ko si Scripps, tangin.
Hanso? Naka-balista?
Hindi natin mag-dismount yun, gago.
Hindi yan.
Yeah, this is all the bloods right now in this map is all western. They're just killing Nomad.
I think we can go back.
Cheater naman yung mga napatay na.
Cheater nga. Tagte 10 kilon tayo.
Ang inalong bakit? Kasi 20 tayo sa party.
Ay,
Talagang
kupal
Hindi,
kaya
wala
pala, no?
akong premium.